In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this Google account is not yet associated with a device error. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, when I try to install this app, I will see this error. It's called this Google account is not yet associated with a device. Please access the Play Store app on your device before installing apps. So take note that this is not a Google error, but this is an error from your side. So what you want to do is simply log in your email. As you can see right here, I'm already logged into an email. So this email, you want to log that email into your Android device or simply your phone. So after logging that email to your phone, you will see that the problem will be automatically be fixed. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.